learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. Today is Thursday, March 6th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is on the outside of your body. Correct. And number 2, can you say it? To be close. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Her skin is cold. Her skin is cold. Skin. The thing that covers her body, her skin. Now we can make a flashcard for skin. Please write skin up here in the top left corner, S-K-I-N. Down here in the bottom left corner, B-D-Y-1. This means body, level 1. Over here the number 21 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red vowel sounds like I. Skin. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The park is close. The park is close. Close. It is near here. It is not far away from here. Now we can make a flashcard for close. We have 2 ways to use this adjective. The park is close means it is not far away. And we also say Jennifer and her mother are close. This means they like each other very much. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, be close. Times 2, this is the 2 meanings I explained to you. Down here the code, A1, V1. A1 is what we're learning now. Adjective, level 1. Over here the number 11 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The 2 red letters sound like O. Clo. Close. Game over. That was lots of fun. You did really well today. Number 1, the missing letter is a K. Skin. Very nice. This is what covers our bodies. And number 2, be close. Yes, this means not far away. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, stadium. Very good. D. This is a big place with many people where they watch a soccer game or a concert. Number 2, be basic. Very good. The missing letter is an I. And number 3, Similarly. Excellent. TDS means to do something. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.